What happens when millions of people need help, but the resources to help them are simply not enough? That is the reality behind World Humanitarian Day, observed every year on 19th August to recognize humanitarian workers and the people affected by crises around the world. And the numbers tell us just how serious the situation is. In 2026, more than 240 million people worldwide need humanitarian assistance and protection. The UN's humanitarian system is currently seeking around $34 billion to respond to these needs. But as of June 2026, only about 35.5% of that requirement had been funded. So the challenge is not just the scale of the crisis, it is also the growing gap between what people need and the resources available to support them. And there is another side to this crisis that we often overlook. Humanitarian workers themselves are increasingly at risk. According to the United Nations, at least 326 humanitarian workers were killed across 21 countries in 2025. These are people delivering food, healthcare, shelter, clean water, and protection, often in the most dangerous environments. So where does the corporate sector fit into this? This is where CSR can move beyond routine development programs and become a tool for humanitarian response and resilience. Corporates can support disaster relief, emergency healthcare, nutrition, clean water, livelihood recovery, and community preparedness. But effective CSR should not stop at providing immediate relief. The bigger question is, can we help communities recover, rebuild, and become more resilient to the next crisis? That is the real opportunity. Because humanitarian action is not simply about responding when a crisis happens. It is about protecting lives today and building stronger communities for tomorrow. And that is a responsibility that governments, NGOs, communities, and corporates must share. This World Humanitarian Day, the message is simple. When humanity is in crisis, our response must be human too.